Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. The channel where we celebrate the timeless beauty, fierce confidence and authentic style of mature women who continue to inspiring at every age. Before we dive into today's story, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a story that honors strong, stylish women from around the world. Behind every model, there is a more than just a perfect image. There is a discipline, long days, and a lifestyle that most people never see. This is not just about beauty, it's about consistency, confidence, and hard work. Modeling is not only about the spotlight, it's early mornings, preparation, and the staying focused every single day. What you see is the result, but the real story is the process behind it. Every model has a different journey, different struggles, different routines, different goals. But one thing stays the same, the mindset to keep going no matter what. Thank you for your watching. If you enjoyed discovering inspiring mature models who celebrate Milan fashion with elegance and self-assurance, be sure to like, comment and subscribe in my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Thank you and goodbye.